Think about a world where the quiet hum of a forest, the vibrant colors of a coral reef, or the majestic flight of a bird were suddenly silenced. How do we even begin to understand which species are close to this silent fate? The conservation status for species is primarily determined through a systematic assessment process, most notably by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN, which evaluates species extinction risk using a globally recognized set of criteria. This process helps us identify species needing urgent protection and guides conservation efforts worldwide. The IUCN Red List of threatened species employs a robust scientific framework based on 5 main quantitative criteria to assess extinction risk. These criteria examine factors such as population size reduction, geographic range contraction, very small or declining population sizes, very small or restricted geographic distributions, and the probability of extinction within a specific timeframe. For instance, a rapid decline in a species' population, say by more than 80% over 10 years or 3 generations, could lead to a classification of critically endangered. These assessments relying heavily on the best available scientific data, including field surveys, historical records, and expert analysis, to ensure accuracy and consistency across diverse taxa and regions. It is a dynamic process, with reevaluations occurring periodically as new data emerges or threats change. Scientists apply these IUCN criteria by gathering and analyzing comprehensive data on a species' biology, ecology, and threats. This involves extensive fieldwork to count individuals and map habitats, as well as genetic studies to understand population health. Researchers also consult local communities and traditional knowledge holders, which provides invaluable insights into species distribution and historical changes. Once all the information is compiled, a panel of experts reviews the data against the specific thresholds for each category, from least concern to extinct, before a final determination is made and published. A fascinating aspect of the system is the use of the generation length, which is the average age of parents of the current cohort of offspring. This metric is crucial because it accounts for the vastly different life cycles of species, from short-lived insects to long-lived whales, ensuring that population declines are assessed appropriately over biologically relevant timeframes. Another key insight is the category of data deficient, which highlights species for which insufficient information exists for an assessment, underscoring the ongoing need for more research and monitoring. Understanding how conservation status is determined provides a vital lens through which we can perceive environmental health and prioritize our actions. By classifying species based on concrete scientific data, we gain a clear, actionable roadmap for protecting biodiversity and maintaining the intricate web of life that sustains our planet.
If these stories matter to you, like, subscribe, and be part of the change.